To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Why are your teeth yellow? Yellow teeth can happen for many different reasons, and not all of them are from poor hygiene. The most common causes are poor oral hygiene, diet, smoking or tobacco use, genetics, aging, medication, fluorosis, and tooth trauma or damage. Poor oral hygiene. Not brushing and flossing regularly can lead to plaque buildup, which makes teeth look yellow. Over time, this can harden into tartar, which is harder to remove and darker in color. Diet. Foods and drinks with strong colors or acidity can stain enamel. This includes things like coffee, tea, red wine, berries, curry, tomato sauce, sugary or acidic drinks. Smoking or tobacco use. Nicotine and tar in cigarettes and chewing tobacco leave deep yellow or brown stains that penetrate the enamel. Aging. As we get older, enamel wears down and the natural yellow color of dentin starts to show through more. Genetics. Some people naturally have thinner enamel or more yellow-toned dentin due to genetics. Medication. Certain antibiotics can cause deep staining, especially in children. Some antihistamines and blood pressure medications can also affect tooth color. Too much fluoride. Overexposure to fluoride during early childhood can cause white spots or yellow-brown staining on teeth. Tooth trauma or damage. Injury to a tooth can damage the pulp, which can cause internal discoloration. This is often yellow, grey, or even black. There are both at-home and professional ways to whiten teeth, depending on the cause and how deep the discoloration is. This can include improving oral hygiene, visiting the dental hygienist for regular cleaning. Alongside this, professional teeth whitening can be used, or an at-home teeth whitening kit. It's important to also avoid food that can stain your teeth and habits that can affect your teeth, such as smoking.